breeze fills the air, summer's fever cracks the pane. Sweet tea melts the ice, mosquito hums a tune. Underneath the fireflies, night's coming all too soon. Heat wave and black lace, steel strings hum slow grace. In this southern embrace, feel the pulse face to face. Cicadas sing their song, he clings like an old friend. Shadows play along where love and night do blend. Heavy sighs in the night, whispers lost in the haze. Under the pale moonlight, hearts on fire, souls ablaze. Heat wave and black lace, steel strings hum slow grace. In this southern embrace, feel the pulse face to face. Heat wave and black lace, steel strings hum slow grace. In this southern embrace, feel the pulse face to face. Heat wave and black lace, steel strings hum slow grace. In this southern embrace, feel the pulse face to face. In this southern embrace, feel the pulse face to face. She walked in like midnight's guest, draped in a black velvet dress. Eyes like moonbeams, heart oppressed, and shadows on me she could express. Her whispers floating, sin confessed. The dress clung tight, silent jest. Stars above held not their best. Magic spun within her chest. Her whispers floated, sin confessed. That dress clung tight, a silent jest. Stars above held not their best. Magic spun within her chest. Black velvet night had secrets deep. In her gaze were dreams dare sleep. Every step a story she'd keep. In that dress emotions speak. Lips of crimson, smiles to test. Walls unravel at her behest. Lonely hearts seek her caress, caught in the black velvet dress. Time stands still when she appears in her realm. No place for fears. She collects the night's sweet tears, dancing through forgotten years. Black velvet night had secrets deep. In her gaze were dreams dare sleep. Every step a story she'd keep. In that dress emotions steep.
Whispering trees in the morning light, tiny wings flutter soft and bright. Magic flows from the forest floor, fairy village forevermore.
Mushroom houses in circles round, silver dew on the leafy ground. Giggling fairies at break of dawn, spreading wonder till the night is gone.
Where the river hums and the flowers sing, tiny dreams take flight on gossamer wings.
In the heart of woods where the light does play, Fairy village dances through the day. Petal gowns and crowns of gold, stories from the elders told. In the stillness, secrets shared, every heart with love is paired.
Oh, the magic runs beneath their feet, every moment here is sweet. Listen closely, hear the sound of the fairies' world all around. Where the river hums and the flowers sing, tiny dreams take flight on gossamer wings.
In the heart of woods where the light does play, fairy village dances through the day. Where the river hums and the flowers sing,
tiny dreams take flight on gossamer wings.
in the heart of woods where the light does play, fairy village dances through the day. Where the river hums and the flowers sing, tiny dreams take flight on gossamer wings. In the heart of woods where the light does play, fairy village dances through the day.